Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It's Monday, March 8th, 2021, and we're starting the Summit March Madness Tournament today. I'm so excited. We're going to talk about that during morning assembly because this is no accident, but it goes exactly along with our habit of success this week. Let's do the Pledge of Allegiance, and then let's dive into making some plans for how you're going to do well in the tournament. Please stand at attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, you guys can have a seat and let's jump in. So executive function. We talked about this habit of success a long time ago. Some of you talked about it in mentor meetings or student study team meetings or other places. But this habit of success is the one that's where you keep track of all your things, you plan out your day, you prioritize your activities and see which one's more important, and you are absolutely going to need executive functions to do well in this tournament. But top secret, actually this is well known, the opposite of top secret, everything you do in this tournament will also help your grades, right? And the things that get you more points in this tournament are actually things that help your grade more. So that's going to help you learn how to prioritize. I got 5 things to do today. Which one do I need to do first? And which one could happen tomorrow if I don't necessarily get it done today, because I might not finish all 5 things. You're really, really going to have to prioritize. I want to run through those slides again about the tournament just real fast. So it's the March Madness tournament. It starts today. It's amazing. I'm all excited because I didn't even do this on purpose, but I kind of ended up dressing like a basketball coach today. I feel like I could be a basketball coach again. That's awesome. Okay. You've got your team. You know who it is. We know the schedule. We know who you're versing this week. Here's what you need to know is the points. So PFA can get you 5 points. That's pretty good. Okay. But moving a cog skill, and it's red, so it shows up on your year page, but moving a cog skill up over 70%, that's going to give you 10 points. Math unit, same thing. If you can get that up over 70%, you're going to get 10 points. If you do your mentor pre-work, I want to really drive this one home today because you might have your mentor meeting today or tomorrow. If you do your mentor pre-work before you show up at the meeting, 5 points. If you're completely green, you can still get points for PFAs, you can still get points for pre-work, and you get 10 bonus points just for staying green all the way until Friday. But that takes some executive functions too, because you got to make some plans. For example, if you're completely green and you're totally on track and you want to stay on track at Friday, you better look at that pacing line and see if that pacing line is going to pass anything. Here's what I want to do today. Take a few minutes. I'll put the how to earn points slide back up and make your plan for today with your teacher and figure out which of these things you should look at and work on first. You're probably going to need to pull up your year page and figure out what's going to get you the most points. Hot tip, just like in basketball where you have a coach and assistant coaches and trainers, your teachers and aides are those coaches and trainers, all right? They can literally tell you which things are going to make you the most points. So talk to them. Tell them your plan. Hey, look, I think that I need to work on this PFA first. And they might say, that PFA is good. It'll get you 5 points, but it's green and the line doesn't even pass for 2 more weeks. But your cog skills in science from last week could get you 10 points. And all you have to do is make those corrections that I gave you feedback on, right? We're going to talk more throughout the week because there's a lot that goes into this and you're really going to have to make a good plan. But your goal for this morning, get your year page up, chat with your class, chat with your teacher. What are you going to focus on first to start getting some points? Have a great day, Achieve. Good luck in the tournament. Game on.